For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The United States is the most affected country due to COVID-19 in the world, is staring at a grim future. Experts have again warned that US will see a rise in infections in the coming days. America's top epidemic expert Dr. Anthony Fauci told US lawmakers that the rising infections are troublesome.
We were going down from 30,000 to 25 to 20, and now we sort of stayed about flat, and now we're going up. A couple of days ago, there were 30,000 new infections. That's very troublesome to me.
Dr. Fauci said health experts in Florida, Texas, and Arizona are struggling to deal with the pandemic. The next couple of weeks are going to be very critical for the United States.
Right now, the next couple of weeks are going to be critical in our ability to address those surgings that we're seeing in Florida, in Texas, in Arizona, and in other states. They're not the only ones that are having a difficulty.
Recently, during Donald Trump's Tulsa rally, the US president asked COVID-19 warriors to slow down testing. President Trump said increase in testing has led to increase in number of infections.
When you do testing to that extent, you're going to find more people, you're going to find more cases. So I said to my people, slow the testing down, please.
However, Dr. Anthony Fauci said testing will not slow down in the US.
I, as a member of the task force, and my colleagues on the task force, to my knowledge, I know for sure, but to my knowledge, none of us have ever been told to slow down on testing. That just is a fact.
The top health expert stressed that people must wear masks and avoid large gatherings.
I'll say it yet again, that you should not congregate in crowds. You should keep distance. And even though many people, for a variety of reasons, do not listen to the, not suggestion, but plea to not congregate in crowds, some people are going to do that anyway. If you do, please wear a mask.
Officials representing the US CDC, FDA, and Department of Health and Human Services also said they would not slow down testing. Despite massive spike in infections, President Donald Trump went ahead with his rally in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Trump's campaign team did not make it compulsory for its audience to wear masks. Thousands of people attended Trump's rally without wearing masks and not maintaining social distancing. 6 officers from Trump's campaign team tested positive for coronavirus. The United States continues to lead in the world COVID-19 cases. The US has reported over 23 lakh COVID-19 cases and over 1,20,000 fatalities.